Okay, so I'm opening the app, and the first thing it asked me to do is to sign in, even though I signed in yesterday, so I'm not sure why I'm, I'm still having to sign in. It certainly would be nice if it asked for a fingerprint ID or something like that. So I'll sign in. Okay, that's not the right username. That's certainly not my username for my company, but since it pre-filled that in, I'll try that. Okay. Now it's asking for a password. I have no password manager here, so there's no easy way for me to find the password, but I'll go and try and look it up in my 1Password. So go pull up 1Password. And let's see if Worldcue shows up in here. Nope, there's no Worldcue. So we'll assume it's an Active Directory password like Okta. So I'll copy that, go back over, and paste. See if that works. Nope, that doesn't work. So instead of using the pre-filled username, I'll try my corporate username. Whoops, that's not Grant.Hobart. Notice it's not using the email address keyboard either, so I have to press special keys just to get the @ sign. And here's hoping. Well, that's not right because I didn't even enter a password. So let's see what happens again this time. Nope, didn't save my work email address. So again, have to enter it again. And special key, servicenow.com. Continue, finding user. Now, I just entered my username. So now you're asking me to enter my username a second time. Okay, so we'll try that. Again, it's not using the email address keyboard, so it's a little harder to find the @ sign. And enter this again. And hopefully, let's see, we'll push the remember me, and we'll push the paste in here. And now we'll sign in. Now I have to get an Okta verify. So I'll send a push notification, and we'll approve that on the Okta verify. And it's not really telling me anything, but I'll assume I'll go back to Worldcue. Okay. And now it says that there's a problem and to try again. So, and now it's asking for me for a country code, which is kind of a pain because I got this giant list. Maybe it's down here in the U's for United States. Now I know that I've entered this before every single time. So now we'll save that. And sure, we'll allow push notifications. And even though it displayed an error saying that I couldn't log in, apparently I did log in. But realistically, I went through all of that pain just so that I could find out what the weather was like in the destination that I'm going to, which really is not providing me with any value.